Sa ikalawang araw ng It-Bpm Roadshow na ginanap sa Lingayen, ipinatawag ni DOST ICTO Deputy Executive Director Monchito Ibrahim sa isang kapihan session ang mga bumubuo sa pwersa ng Pangasinan na kinabibilangan ng local stakeholders, ICT-enabled companies, industry players at ng gobyerno. Isa sa binigyang diin ay ang pagpasok ng business process outsourcing o BPO investments sa lalawigan. Ani Ibrahim, bagamat maraming human resources ang Pangasinan, may kakulangan umano ito sa paglalaan ng internal employment opportunities.
We believe that the Pangasinan just needs to actually market its the province well, okay? Kasi you have a lot of things going on, going for the province. Talent is number one. It has become very, very competitive. There are now more than 40 cities all over the country who are trying to get the attention of the BPO companies. Pangasinan needs to actually do the same.
Ayon kay Jomari Mercado, Presidente at CEO ng IT and Business Process Association of the Philippines o It-Bpm, isa rin umano sa nakikitang dahilan ng kabawasan ng manpower sa lalawigan ay ang kawalan ng infrastruktura.
You need to have the infrastructure. Our industry is 24/7. We don't stop. We work Monday to Sunday, 24 hours a day. So power, reliability of power, telco, then the support structures. It's just that it's early pa na wala pa nakaka-discover ng Pangasinan for them to say, I will set up here. But based on our conversations, it looks like there are about 2 or 3 companies that are already looking. Once that starts, sunod-sunod na yan. As long as they see the positive results.
Louis de la Vega, Pangasinan Watch.